Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present about my group, which is group 2, about the car seat belt reminder. So the objective of this project is to design a system model for seat belt reminders using logic gates to stop car drivers and their passengers from forgetting to put their seat belts on. Furthermore, this will help the drivers and passengers reduces the likelihood of death, serious or injury in a traffic collision by reducing the force of secondary impact with interior strike hazards. By keeping occupant position correctly for maximum effectiveness of the airbag and by preventing occupants being ejected from the vehicle in a crash or if the vehicles rolls over. The component that we use is such as AND gates, switch SPDT, power supply VCC, inverter, OR gates, LED, blue and red, and also resistor. By truth table, we create the circuit based on table. So they have 3 input and 2 output, which is seatbelt, key, and door for the input, and the output is ignition and alarm reminder. So as you can see, we set the switch is seatbelt, key, and door, and the LED for ignition and alarm reminder. Based on the truth table, when seatbelt is 0, key is 0, and door is 0, the ignition and alarm reminder will not turn on, will not hide. That we can say it is a low. When I put the door is 1 and seatbelt and key is 0, the alarm reminder will turn on. Okay, next, when we put the seatbelt is 0, key is 1, and the door is 0, the alarm reminder will be turned on, and the ignition will not be turned on. So, when we put together the key is 1 and the door is 1, the alarm reminder will still on, and the ignition will not be turned on. But when we set the seatbelt is on and key is off and door is off, which is 0, the ignition and the alarm reminder will not be turned on, which is low. When we put the seatbelt and door is 1 and the key is 0, the ignition will not be turned on and the alarm reminder will turn on, such as like height. When we put the seatbelt and key is 1, 1, which is height, the ignition will be turned on and alarm reminder will not trigger. When we put the together seatbelt, key, and door is 1, 1, 1, which is height, ignition and alarm reminder will be turned on and triggered. So here it is our circuit operators. We set the input which is seatbelt is number 1, key is number 2, and 3 is door. We can give the simple situation. When seatbelt is buckle and key is not ignition and door is open, so what will happen? The alarm will remind the passenger of vehicle to buckle up the seatbelt and close the door. Next, so this is our PCB layout that we fit up in one functional circuit. And then after that, we show the 3D circuit that we made from the PCB layout. As you can see, the output is alarm and the light as a remind. So, last but not least, the total cost of this circuit will be 20 ringgit 35 cents. That's all. Thank you.